There's a new type of video taking over YouTube right now. Those clean, cinematic, paper-cut style animations that look like something straight out of a Vox documentary. And the crazy part is, these videos are getting some serious views. I started looking into how creators were making them, and honestly, most of the tutorials I found were either way too complicated, required coding tools, or depended on expensive software. So I decided to find a simpler way. After testing different AI tools and workflows, I found a method that lets you create these documentary-style animations without spending money on expensive animation software. And in this video, I'm going to show you the exact process, from creating the visuals to turning them into animated scenes using free AI tools that even a complete beginner can follow. And just to show you what's possible, here's an animation I created using this exact workflow. March 3rd, 2019, Bruges, Belgium. A woman named Elise walks into a police station with rope burns on her wrists. She says 2 men grabbed her near the canals and held her for 6 days. Detectives open a full manhunt. Then, 3 weeks later, her phone records tell a different story. The signal never left her apartment. Investigators find hotel receipts under a different name. The rope burns she made herself. The video you just saw was created using completely free AI tools. And the best part, I didn't do any of the work manually. The entire process was handled using a single master prompt, which I've included in the video description. Simply download the prompt, open it, and you don't even need to modify anything. Just copy the entire prompt and paste it into your favorite AI chatbot. You have a few great options. You can use DeepSeek, which has a powerful model and is completely free to get started. You can use ChatGPT, which is my personal favorite and the tool I recommend for this process, or you can use Claude, which is also one of the best AI models available right now. Once you paste the master prompt, simply follow the instructions it gives you. Now, once you run the command, it will ask you to provide the source file, which is the content model that we are going to use for this process. To download the source PDF file, download it from the video description. I have already added it there. After downloading, attach it to the Claude chat and say, "Engine attached." Claude will then proceed with the first step. It will provide you with a few niches that you can choose your video content from. This master prompt covers almost all types of niches. Now choose your niche wisely. Here, I will go with option 1 because I will create a video about crime. If your niche is not listed in the above list, just ask Claude to generate more niches. Now, in the next step, Claude has provided a list of 10 ideas for that specific crime niche. After reading all the topics, I choose number 8, which seems very interesting to me. Now, in the next step, Claude has asked me how long I want my script to be. I will select 30 seconds only, but if you want, you can generate a longer video from 30 seconds to 50 minutes. Video length is different for all niches, so select according to your niche. Now, after selecting it, Claude will give you a script that is accurately timed for 30 seconds. Now you have your script. You will be able to generate the voiceover, but we will do that later on. Let's type proceed to move to the next step. Now Claude will convert your script into timed narrative beats. For our 30-second script, Claude has created 15 beats, which is very accurate according to the 30-second script duration. Now you can see that Claude is saying to type next to generate the image prompt txt file. This is basically the prompts that will convert these beats into prompts to generate our video images. Now, let's convert these prompts into images. Now, half of the video work is already done. Let's generate these images. For that, go to Google Flow. First, adjust the flow settings by changing the video option to image, and then select your desired video aspect ratio. After that, select the Nano Banana 2 model for image generation. Now, as we need to generate these images in a batch, we will need a Chrome extension because Flow can't do this automatically on its own. The extension is called Zapi Flow. Go to the Chrome Web Store, search for the extension, and click Add to Chrome. It will then be added to your Chrome browser. Now head back to Flow and open the extension there. As you can see, the extension is connected with Flow. You can also customize the Zapi Flow settings if you want. Now, what you need to do is upload the TXT file that we generated in Claude. For that, download the file here and upload it into the extension. Now you can see that I have 14 prompts in the queue to generate the images, which is exactly what we need here. Zapi Flow will start generating those images one by one. This will take some time, so you can leave it running for a few minutes and do something else if you want, while the extension automatically handles the image generation process. The best thing about this extension is that once it generates an image, it automatically downloads it to your local computer. That saves you a lot of time. As you can see, the extension has generated all of my images in the best quality available. They look absolutely amazing. You can find all of these images in your local folder because the extension has already done the job for you. Next, we need to convert these images into Vox-style videos. For that, head back to Claude and type Next. Claude will then generate a prompt that we can use to convert these images into Vox-style videos. You can use this same prompt for all the images, so you don't need a separate prompt for every single image. Now, in this prompt, the video duration is set to 10 seconds, so you need to select the duration according to your needs. I recommend going with 6 seconds per video. Copy the prompt and head back to Flow. In the Flow settings, change it back to video and select your desired model. As you can see, I have selected the 6-second video option. Now select the first image, paste your prompt, and generate the video. Do this for all of the images one by one. Slowly, Flow will start generating the videos for you. For video generation, you can use different models. Flow is the easiest and most affordable option, but you can also use more expensive models like Seedance or any other model you prefer. Now, once the video generation is complete, let's generate the voiceover for our video. For that, go back to Claude and scroll to the top where you generated the 30-second video script. Copy the script and open your favorite voiceover tool. Here, I am using 11 Labs because their voices are very high quality, but you can use any other tool you prefer to create the voiceover. Paste your script here and generate the voiceover. Once it's generated, download the voiceover. Now you have all the videos and the voiceover. All you need is editing software to combine everything together. The simplest option for you here is CapCut. Open CapCut, create a new project, and import all your videos and the voiceover. Drag the voiceover onto the timeline, and then drag the videos onto the timeline one by one in the exact order that I generated them, according to the voiceover. You will need to do some basic editing here. Trim some clips, extend or cut others, and adjust the speed of some clips to match the voiceover. Add some transitions between the clips to make the video flow more smoothly. These are all very basic editing steps, so you don't need any advanced editing skills. And that's it. Your video is ready. Then simply go ahead and export the final video. Here you can also select the option to change the video resolution. I would select 4K here so that my video is in the best possible quality.